NitroType today. I got people asking me all the time, Mr. Mike, how can I type faster? Mr. Mike, how can I get the NitroType? People stopping me in the street wanting to know. I'm going to show you how to get to NitroType. I'm going to show you how to make your own login. I'm going to show you a demonstration race. We're also going to find where we get to our statistics, which are super important for some stuff later on. And I'm going to show you how to make some of that NitroType money. All right, let's do this. First things first, you're looking at my screen here. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. I do not recommend Firefox or Edge. Chrome definitely works the best. You can go either up to the top or you can go down to the search bar and type in NitroType.com. Load up that web page. First things first. Log out and show you how to do this. The button in the upper right, we have sign up. Trying to hover over it. Sign up is a big green button. If you do not yet have an account, you're going to want to click this button here to sign up. Make your username something you can remember. I usually recommend the same thing as what they have at school. So it's going to be the first two of your first name, 5 letters of your last name, and a number. And then you'll have to tell it a password. You do not need an email address, but you will need to go down and click this box that says I am 13 or older. So you can participate here or create an account there. Now, if you do have an account, we're going to go to where it says log in now. All right? This button here says log in the upper right. I've already logged in today, but if you haven't yet, you type in your username, you type in your password, you're going to say log in. So bring you to your garage. This is where you keep all your cars. You can see how many races you've done. You can see how much cash you've got. I got a couple of cars down here, but that's not quite as important as what I'm going to show you next here. Let's go race. How about that? Yeah, let's go show a race. I'm going to click this red button and then race now.
On your marks, get set, go!
I'm going to hover my mouse over myself. You can see I type 65 words a minute as my average. I didn't come close to that on this race. I'm kind of distracted here. So the way that we're going to track our progress is up at the top though. Next to your name in the upper right, you're going to hover over that. You'll click on My Stats. That's the second option down. Once you get to the screen, you'll see we got all sorts of numbers here. We got a graph that goes up and down. This is the race log. It goes back for me as far as mid-February, and it goes all the way up to today, actually. If you want to look at some more detailed information, we've got each day as a data point. As you can see, I got some low days, but I got some high days here. Low, high again. It goes up and down, but that happens. You know, we're just practicing here. We can also look at it by the month. If you want to see each month as a single data point, it goes back to 2018. Oh my gosh. March 2019 was a rough month for typing apparently, but we're on the rebound. Looks like our general trend is increasing. Now, if you're one of the top 10 people who's in my most recent friends, when I log in, I'm going to be giving y'all $100,000 of NitroType money. All right, just by logging in, basically. Come in, race a couple of races, practice a little bit, be earning that money. Okay, until next time, we're looking at NitroType.com. I'll be having a link down below on how you can join the class if you're not already a part of it, and I'll see you out there.